Today we'll be cooking the best cheesy chicken burritos. I'm joined with Chef Osvaldo, one of my good friends, and we'll be taking our love for food and the kitchen outdoors in an outdoor cooking video. So let's get into it.
Mommy.
Garlic.
Do you want it?
Garlic, red onion, and then tomato. We don't want the juicy middle part. Oil. Salt, blood, chicken. Paprika. Yeah. Ancho chili flakes. Chipotle chili flakes. Okay, yeah. Perfect. Chicken.
Alright guys, we need to now cook our chicken.
Tomatoes in the onion and garlic mix. Make it colour. Oh, we've still got the fucking metal tray, bro.
Please. Don't want to overcut. Oh, it's not. Salt and pepper. The chickens have just been flipped.
Guacamole.
Some white onion in there, avocado. Avocado. Jalapeno. Oh wait, actually. Now. Hash. Guacamole.
Now we need to heat up the spicy Mexican rice.
Bang.
Alright, so guys, we got the assembly station. We got spicy Mexican rice, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, incredible looking chicken, cheese, refried.
Bang. We need a hot pan just to seal off the burrito. That's cool, put a hole, so.
Bean drizzle.
Bean drizzle. Beautiful. Chicken.
Incredible.
Then fold together and bring in. Off the pan.
Bro, look at that, incredible.
Imagine if
Imagine it just falls. Bro.
That's the shit, man.
Big boy.